Well, the latest filtering in, a BJP MP from Bihar's Begusarai has now attacked the Prime Minister and the top leadership over the poll debacle. He said that in Bihar, BJP committed suicide by deviating from development agenda. Bhola Singh said the ACU of cow in Pakistan dented the party's prospects beyond repair. He also targeted the Prime Minister for his language during election rallies. BJP MP said Bhagwat's remarks on reservation also cost the party dearly.
ये भाजपा की हार नहीं है, उसने आत्महत्या कर ली। श्री नीतीश कुमार की राष्ट्रीय क्षितिज पर संभव विदाग छवि है, संभव विदाग छवि। वे अपनी मर्यादा की दीवार को नहीं लांघ सके। वो मर्यादा में बंधे रहे और बचिए जितने प्रधानमंत्री से लेकर नीचे तक जितने लोग थे, वे मर्यादा विहीन होकर हिंदुस्तान की राजनीति के क्षितिज पर छाए रहे। हम अपनी राह से भटक गए थे और जब राह से भटक गए थे तो गड्ढे में गिरना ही था। रोजी और रोटी के बदले रोजी रोटी और अच्छी जिंदगी देने के बदले
All right, want to connect to Rohit Singh, who's on the phone line with us. Rohit, will you take us? What is the locus standi of this leader? Who is exactly Bhola Nath in the scheme of things where BJP leadership and BJP politics in Bihar is concerned?
Well, Preeti, Bhola Singh is a BJP MP from Begusarai, and he is not just one of the voices who is now turned basically rebel and speaking against the party for its crushing defeat that took place on 8th of November. Because yesterday also we saw Hukumdev Narayan Yadav, he is also senior BJP MP. He was speaking out against the party and the way the defeat had taken place. Shatrughan Sinha is also there, and now Bhola Singh is speaking that by invoking the issues like Pakistan, invoking the issues of beef, it has done no good to the BJP, and these are the factors because of which the BJP suffered so a humiliating defeat in Bihar, and that's what he calls is not a defeat, but it's a suicide which the BJP has committed in Bihar because of their own statements coming from hotheads in the party.
All right, appreciate you joining us, Rohit. We'll come back to you for more updates there. The Begusarai MP there stating for what he has, saying that it is the Prime Minister and the top leadership which led the BJP Bihar leadership down by saying what they did.
Ni pa ma ga sa ni pa ma ni sa pa sa जहाँ तक याद आती रहेगी